exec and owner of Tuna Bar. Tuna Bar is about fresh fish, a twist on home recipes, nothing too fancy. We focus mostly on Japanese cuisine. I tell a lot of people like what the food is about. Basically, it's like a timeline of my life. The dish I created today was called my fried rice because my dad used to make me fried rice. I made this fried rice with Asian sausage, and then I add all the other aromatics, then I add the meats and proteins, and then you stir fry the rice. I mean, Chinatown is like 10 blocks from here, so it's really close, but I love like Old City. Family oriented, you're still by the city, but you're not in the city. When I had the opportunity of renting this place and building something out here, I had to jump on it. Philly is the perfect market to carry great ingredients, and chefs all over the city are really lucky to have that opportunity.